Alright, before we head in, let's see what cars are here. We got a 458 Speciale.
Hey, Jeff.
What else we got? Ford GT. This must be my buddy's building the Sony. We got a Miami Blue GT3 RS. Oh, check this out. Full yellow Ford 570S Spider.
What's going on, man? I'm going to start it up if you want to.
You want to start it up? Let's start it up.
Yeah, well, I got to go to the keys. So.
Okay. Have you around? See, these are the guys that office only. Couple cars.
I mean, they're stepping up the game, ain't they?
Yeah, right?
I mean, for real.
These aren't Honda Accords anymore. Now they got some nice stuff.
I bought my Beamer from them.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Is it a stock exhaust or aftermarket?
I don't know.
We're gonna find out. Fire it up. Ooh, sounds stock to me. There you go. Is it in sport mode? Hit the active dynamics panel.
This one?
No, down there, the button that says active down there.
This?
Yeah, press that.
Yep.
And press both to T. Both sides. Yeah, both of them. Now it should be, yeah, got a little louder, so rev it again. Oh yeah, there you go. That sounds less muffled. There you go, nice. Awesome, man, thank you.
Yeah. I have to remember where those parking spots are.
Yeah.
I tripped over one.
They've outdone themselves this year. This Supercar Spider. Normally I don't like it when it has the red top option, but with this pearlescent white, that sparkle, that looks really good. So white with red top, okay. Almost any other color looks kind of weird. And I think over there's a 911 GT3. Look at that. Orange wheels. Okay, this is a GT3 RS.
Got it, buddy.
Look at that.
I love the roll cage too.
Roll cage in the back. White with orange stripes and accents. Okay, so this event is part of Supercar Week, which is sort of like a big celebration of... Hey, what's up, Sean?
That big blue post.
Hey, watch out for that thing.
Big blue thing that says watch out.
So, Supercar Week is a kind of a big celebration of cars, exotics, supercars, luxury stuff, and they're having this big event here at Excell Auto Group. And you know, they got like snacks and food, and it's a big cocktail party. So there's lots of exotics that are still showing up. But I'm gonna head inside and grab some grab a bite to eat because I'm a little hungry. There you go, got a red Lotus Elise. Okay. This guy just showed up for the valet. Oh, way back here we have It's a McLaren 570S. It's got a couple of these really small dive planes here. I don't know if those are aftermarket. I think they are. Got a wing back here. Okay, green stripe, body color matched. Montana plate. It's got these scoops back here. Don't recall ever having seen this. They're carbon fiber. A little hard to see because it's dark. It was cool. Ooh, check this out. We got a 599 coming in. There you go. Red, black stripe in the middle. Yeah, nice. There's flying buttresses in the back. It's got a New York plate on it. Cool. There you go. Oh, the GT3's leaving. See you, GT3 RS. Oh, it's actually my buddy PJ. There you go. Alright guys, alright, so I'm going to be rolling out of the Excell Auto pretty soon, so thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys later. I'm going to be checking out some more Supercar Weeks events. I know Thursday is the Heart of Del Rey, which is kind of like an art gallery. I don't know if I'm going to that one, but I'm definitely going to the track on Saturday as a PBIR, so I'll catch you guys later. See ya. Bye. Actually, you know what? Instead, I decided to go to this small local car meet. They got some cool stuff here after the event, so let's see what cars they got. They got like an MV Miata. They got some cool stuff, so yeah, let's see what they got. Hey, look at this guy. Yes, Hyundai Tiburon. There you go. Tiburon means shark in Spanish. This looks nothing like a shark, and certainly doesn't have the bite of one. But these are actually, there's not many of these left.
Is that David Salami?
Yes, it is.
That afro. Recognize that anywhere, man. Greetings.
Up,
greetings.
Greetings. It is I, the real one.
Defiant Studios.
There we go.
Sony gang.
There we go. Andrew, where's your car?
Right here.
Right here? This one? This is your car for real? When'd you get it?
About a month ago.
Now, are you joking? Because every time I ask you if this is your car, you always say yes, but that's not actually your car. So what's going on here?
Well, it's a V6 with 5.0 badges.
So you got a V6 with 5.0 badges.
Yep.
Okay.
That's
Isn't that your car?
everybody
I thought this was your car.
No, that's his car.
Okay. Oh yeah, that's right. That is your car. That's the one with the really, I'm gonna call it effeminate horn. Is that it? No. The one that horn.
No.
No? Okay. No. Maybe it's a different Mustang. I think it was your car, wasn't it? So if this is
Hope you got that on video.
so if this is your car, where's the key? Start it up.
My lawyer told me not to answer these questions.
Your lawyer?
Oh,
you have a lawyer now?
Friday. Fuck up Friday.
I'm not
There you go. Got some of the truck guys here. I like this one right here. Hey, yeah, brother. Hell yeah, brother. Look at this thing. Two-tone, blue and white. So yeah, I've got a big bold Chevy here. A lot of lifted trucks. So this is a wide body E46. It has not M3 fenders, but it's got the quad exhaust. So I don't know what's really going on here. Hellcat leaving. Is that why you get a ticket every week?